Hey everybody, so we are looking at the Ulanzi microphone. I'm actually using the microphone to talk to you right now. So this is what the box looks like. I'm not really fan of boxes, but I mean it came very compact and I was very excited. Don't mind the fact that we're using a pen to open it. I was not with any knife, but it still does the job. Nice, satisfying opening. um I like the way it came. It just made it feel like it's this next step would be getting a professional camera, like the Ulanzi AM18. Nice box, nice packaging. I was happy with it. I was happy with the way it came and the way it just slid out. It was so satisfying. I waited so long to be able to open this, and I felt really good to actually just take it up. So inside we have the manual. Of course, we have the manuals. Sometimes you might want to read it, but it just shows you how to connect the different devices: iPhones, smart Samsung's cameras. And I had to actually read the manual too. So there were some hidden functionalities I didn't know about. And it came with a very, very large assortment of cables, which was the thing I was most excited about, really, because that way I have connected this device to iPhones, to Samsungs, to cameras, any kind of device I can connect it to. Every cable you can possibly imagine is included. Of course, that great carrying pouch is actually a really, really nice carrying pouch. It's something that you don't really think about. You could definitely buy this second party, but who am I kidding? Once you buy a microphone, you're not likely to buy anything else. So it's nice to have all the cables, nice to have everything organized. So the C2C has found to be the most useful one for now. The iOS cable you saw there. Then the pouch. I know people have talked about this online. The pouches are good and everything, but the reason I'm happy with the pouch is because everything just enters into the pouch. So I legitimately put every device, every cable, every wind muff into that, and I just carry that with me, and I know I have what I need. So that is a kind of like a qualified certificate. Nice, Ulanzi stuff. Okay. So going into the actual device, it has this nice cover. I don't know why they do this, but it's actually felt good to open this up and finally reveal the mic for the first time. And that was the beginning of a beautiful experience with this microphone. Initially I was thinking about getting like a DJI Holy Land Mark II or Shure, but this one I'm glad with my choice. So we open it up and voila, we meet the mics for the first time. At the bottom you have the receiver and the two transmitters up there. So the dead cats are at the top left corner, but this is the receiver, and it didn't take much. I just had to like touch it up and it came on. You see how it has those blue stickers. They put it that way so that it's not charging in the box. So the charging prongs are covered at the beginning, which I guess is a life quality thing. It's a charging case of its own. It has its own charging case, so it lasts a while. For me, the difference between this and the Ulanzi and bigger mic DJIs and the rest is that this one is cheaper. I would say it's the budget version of those ones, but I do not sacrifice in audio quality, and I'm grateful for that. One day I might upgrade to the DJI when more funds are available, but for now, this does the job, and I'm glad I got this.